Welcome. If you're tired of constant email notifications from Gmail and want a quieter digital life, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable all mail notifications on Gmail, step by step, using the latest method. Let's dive in and take control of your inbox experience. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. You'll see your inbox right away. Look to the top left corner for the 3 horizontal lines, the menu icon. Tap on it to open up the navigation panel. Next, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Tap on Settings, and you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to Gmail. Choose the account where you want to turn off notifications by tapping on it. Once you're inside your account settings, look for the option called Manage Labels. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the different labels Gmail uses to organize your emails. Find the label named All Mail and tap on it. This is where Gmail stores every email you've received, archived, or sent. Now, you'll see a section called Sync Messages. Here, you can choose how much mail Gmail should sync to your device. If you want to keep scheduled emails up to date, pick either Last 30 Days or All. This step ensures you don't miss important scheduled emails, even while notifications are off. The key step is right below, Label Notifications. You'll see a checkbox next to it. Simply uncheck Label Notifications. This turns off alerts for all mail, so you won't get interrupted by notifications for every single email that lands in your inbox. And that's it. You've just disabled all mail notifications for your Gmail account. Your phone will stay quiet, and you can check your emails whenever you want, without constant interruptions. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, just follow these steps again and check the Label Notifications box. Enjoy your new, distraction-free Gmail experience.